Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael. This week's video is going to be just a little bit different. This week we'll be taking a look at and trading unusual options activity. So if you're new here, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post 2 new videos every week and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. Also, please be sure to smash the like button. It really helps to grow the family and I really appreciate it. And if you're interested in signing up and getting 2 free stocks valued up to $1,400 just for signing up and making a small deposit on Webull, check out the referral link down below in the description. And one last thing before we get into the video, I'm just going to take my Instagram and I'm going to leave it right here. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so first off, to address the question of why am I sitting in my car? I'm sitting in my car because I'm back at home with my parents for the week and I don't really have a recording set up here. So as of right now, I am on my GoPro. So if the video looks kind of fuzzy, if the audio sounds kind of fuzzy, that is all because I'm on my GoPro right now and it is all I have. Okay, so yeah, just addressing that. Now to get to the video. So in this video, we're going to be looking at unusual options activity. And not only are we going to be looking at it, we're also going to be placing a few trades in my tastyworks account. And we'll be checking in here and there and see how these unusual activity trades are doing. Okay, so for starters, I'd like to give a quick shout out to the boy Kevin for showing me this website. I've always wanted to get into unusual options activity, but I've never really taken the time to learn about it, and I still haven't really done it yet and am looking to learn more. But yeah, Kevin showed me this website where it tracks unusual options activity, and we're gonna follow and see how well this works. So for those of y'all interested, here's Kevin's Instagram. Kevin is a bro. Okay, check him out on Instagram. And for those of you who don't know what unusual options activity is, it's basically exactly what it sounds like. Unusual activity in the options market, which can lead to some pretty substantial profits. Phenomena like this happen because there are people who know things that the average consumer don't know, kind of like the Illuminati. But yeah, there are plenty of people who know things that we don't, so watching this activity is kind of a way to be able to hop along for the ride. Imagine if you knew a company's earnings before they announced earnings on their earnings day. There would be no more guesswork. It'd be a lot easier to know whether the stock was going up or down. It would be a lot easier to take profits and a lot easier to grow your portfolio. So that's kind of what we're trying to do with unusual options. So yeah, we're going to go over, take a look at the website, and then we're going to pick a few of the trades out on the tastyworks and make the trades. All right, so here we are on barchart.com looking at the unusual options trading activity. Okay, so what we're going to do here is take a quick look at how this works, how to find the unusual activity, and then after that we're going to pick about 3 or 4 plays and we're going to buy them in my tastyworks. So yeah, let's take a look at how this works. Okay, so I'm going to hit the refresh because I've been on this page for a bit. And all right, here we are. So I'm on barchart.com. We're here looking at the unusual stock options activity, and right now we have it sorted by volume. So if you click on different things, you can click on symbol, it'll sort it by the symbol alphabetically. But yeah, like I said, we have it sorted by volume. Okay, so now I have it sorted by volume and it looks like we have the low volume first. Let's hit that again. So we have the higher volume first. Okay, so we can see the highest volume that was put in today was an order for Oxy, an Oxy with the expiration date of July 17, and the bid was $31 and they ordered 56,000 shares. So that is some unusual activity. So yeah, essentially what we're going to do is we're just going to hop in, look at this, and we're going to put in some of these orders. Okay, and I may try this one out. It has some time on it. You can see the strike price, the expiration, the bid, the ask, and the midpoint. And yeah, there's just plenty. So what we're gonna do is my criteria for me is I have $120 in my tastyworks. So what we're gonna do here is, like I said, pick 3 to 4. That averages out to be about $30 each play. So yeah, we're going to look for about 4 plays for around $30 or less. Okay, so to start off, we're going to try this Oxy. So 21 strike, July 17, and we're going to put in a bid for 31 just to see how this does. Here on the tastyworks. Okay, so it was Oxy. Then we're going to go to Where is it at? It was July 17th. So right here. And it was for the 21 strike. And it was a call, so put in an order for one. Alright, we put in one order for that. Alright, now let's try to find another one. We have a 185 Microsoft call. We'll try this 185 Microsoft call. I wanted to get one that expires this week.
Okay.
Put in an order for 21 cents. Okay, we put that one in. All right, so we put in the orders. Now all we're gonna do is wait. So I already got filled on the Oxy order. Have 51 days on that. Haven't quite got filled on the Microsoft order and haven't got filled on the ET order. So I'm just gonna let these sit. I'm gonna check them each day periodically. And yeah, I'll update y'all if something happens. Hopefully we can grow this into something. But as of right now, we're just gonna wait and see what happens. If you're new here and you wanna see more, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post 2 new videos a week, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. Also, don't forget to smash that like button. It really helps to grow the family, and I really appreciate it as well. So yeah, and last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching, and peace.